In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your Facebook page status and understand what it means. To begin, log into your page using an account that has permission to manage it. Once you're on your page's dashboard, look to the left-hand menu. This is where the key controls live for managing your page. Click Settings. That opens the main area where you can access administrative options. From that same left menu, click Page Setup. This section collects the foundational settings that influence how your page appears and functions. Inside Page Setup, look for a section labeled Page Status. This is the place that clearly tells you whether your page is available to the public and whether Facebook has flagged anything you should know. When you open it, you'll see the current status displayed. If it says page has no issues, you're in great shape. Your page is active and visible to the public, and Facebook hasn't detected any problems. If the status reads Page Unpublished, your page isn't visible to anyone outside your team. Only people with access to manage the page can see it. This may be intentional if you're working on updates, or it may reflect a policy-related unpublishing. Finally, if you see page scheduled for deletion, the page has been set to be deleted. There's a grace period of up to 30 days to cancel that, so if the deletion was accidental or you've changed your mind, act within that window to keep your content. This page status area can also display other warnings or restrictions. These are notices Facebook adds when it detects content or policy issues, or when certain features have been limited. Treat these as alerts about how your page may be affected. Some warnings simply inform you that something needs attention. Others might affect visibility, distribution, or access to certain tools. Read each notice carefully so you understand what's being flagged and what parts of your page are impacted. Keep in mind that Facebook's interface evolves. If your left menu looks a little different, you're still aiming for the Settings area and then Page Setup. Page status will live there. On smaller screens, some options may be tucked under headings, so take a moment to expand the relevant section until you see page status. That's all there is to it. By logging in, opening Settings from the left menu, selecting Page Setup, and checking page status, you'll always know whether your page is public, unpublished, or scheduled for deletion, and whether any warnings or restrictions are present. Make a habit of checking this area regularly to catch issues early and keep your page running smoothly.